All right. How to add or subtract any positive or negative integer. Any situation for that. That's what I'm getting you ready for. Okay, so first thing you need to remember, we're going one step at a time. Take a deep breath if you're stressed out. And just think about one step at a time. Okay? So we're going to start small. We just have a -5. Where do we go? There's only two ways to go. We can go right or we can go left. We go left when we just have a negative number. Sometimes people write it like this. That's technically not proper. They should write it the other way, but you will see it. So we went to the left, -5. Now we are adding a negative number. This is where it might get a little tricky. All you need to know is that when you add a negative number, you go to the left. And then subtracting a negative number, this throws people for a loop too. We are going to go to the right. So remember those two things. You add a negative number, you're going left. You're subtracting a negative number, you go right. It's the opposite of if you were doing it with a positive number. Those are really the only two new things we're learning here. Now here's a large, overwhelming problem. Let's take it one step at a time. We have the negative number just itself. We got to go to the left. That's our starting place. Starting at -3. Now we're looking at +2. Left or right, which way? We go to the right. Now looking at subtracting a negative number, subtracting -7. Are we going 7 to the left or are we going 7 to the right? We're going to go 7 to the right. Now, subtracting a positive number, you've done this a million times. We go to the left. Now we are adding a negative number, and we're going to the left again, ending up at -1. And that's really it. You break it down step by step. You don't remember what to do in a particular step. I'm going to give you this picture, and I'm going to post it somewhere in Google Classroom so that you can find it easily. And it's going to help you with just that one step. You still have to go one step at a time, but as long as you remember these 6 things, that's all you need to add or subtract any integer. Okay? I hope this helps. Thank you everyone who spoke up in class and told me that they weren't understanding.